Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Infura API for Ethereum node access, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Infura API for Ethereum node access, you will first need to navigate to the Infura website. Once on the home page, click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. Fill out the registration form with your email, password, and other required information. After registering, check your email for a verification link from Infura. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Log into your Infura account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Infura dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Create New Project button and click on it. Enter a name for your project and click Create. After creating your project, you will see your project ID and project secret. These credentials are crucial for connecting to the Ethereum node. To configure your API access, click on the Settings tab within your project. Here, you can manage your API keys and access controls. Copy your project ID, as you will need it for your application. Next, navigate to the API endpoint section. Select the Ethereum network that you wish to access, mainnet, Robson, or another testnet. Use the provided URL for your chosen network to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. To authorize your requests, include your project ID in the request headers. You can also use your project secret if your application requires additional authentication. Now, test your API connection by making a sample request to the Ethereum node. Ensure that your application can successfully communicate with the Infura API. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings to double-check your API credentials. Once confirmed, you are ready to build your Ethereum application using Infura. Follow the API documentation for more detailed information on endpoints and functionalities. With these steps completed, you have successfully authorized your Infura API for Ethereum node access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.